Hello everyone, in this video I'm excited to share the option trading journal I created. This trading journal is specifically designed to track option trading activity and performance over a 12-month period. It provides detailed monthly, strategy, and annual overviews of your trading activity, helping you analyze and improve your strategies. Since my last video on option trading channel, I have added several new features to the spreadsheet. These include a dark mode version, the ability to track funds deposit and withdrawal, and the option to translate keywords into your preferred language. In this tutorial, I will provide a quick walkthrough on how to effectively use this spreadsheet. Before importing any trading data, you need to set out the spreadsheet on the Start tab. Begin by entering the starting month and year, which will automatically generate a list of the 12 months below. Next, input your account starting capital and define your trading strategies. If English is not your primary language, you can easily change the keywords throughout the spreadsheet to your preferred language. Additionally, the spreadsheet provides a position sizing calculator that helps determine the maximum amount of money to risk per trade based on your account's net liquidation value and the risk percentage per trade. You can also find your long or short entry level and target level using the calculator. Now let's move on to inputting your trading data on the trading journal page. Start by entering your trade details such as the trade number, trade direction, select from the drop-down list either long or short, and the ticker of the stock you are trading. Then select the strategy from the drop-down list and input the strike price and expiration date for option trades. Additionally, input the break-even price at expiration date. The days to expiration column will automatically calculate the number of days remaining until expiration based on the current date, and the cell color will change from green to red as the expiration date approaches. After placing the trade, input the stop price at entry date, the date you enter the trade, the number of contracts, and the net entry price when opening the position. Remember to indicate an outflow of money by using a minus sign in front of the net entry price when paying a debit to open the position. Additionally, input the commission paid to open the position. If you need guidance on tracking single leg and multi-leg options using the Think or Swing trading platform, I have made a step-by-step video tutorial and I will put the link in the comment section below. The premium paid or collected at entry column will automatically calculate the total amount of money paid or received when opening the position based on the net entry price. Under the risk management section, input the buying power, which is the amount of money blocked by your broker for holding the trade position. Also enter the trade's maximum profit and maximum loss, which can be found on the trading platform trade confirmation page before submitting the trade order. Once you close the position, input the stop price at the exit date, the number of contracts you close, and the net exit price. Again, use a minus sign to indicate a debit when paying to close the trade. Additionally, input the commission paid to close the position. After entering the details in the close position section, the dark color cell will automatically calculate the number of days in trade, the total profit and loss including fees, the return on investment, the profit and loss per day, and the cumulative profit and loss. The account details section will display your account balance after closing the trade, the account's percentage gain or loss since the beginning, and the amount of drawdown during a losing trade. To input fund deposit or withdrawal, simply input a dash sign in the trade number column followed by the fund deposit or withdrawal date and the corresponding amount. Use a minus sign when withdrawing money. All the data entered on trading journal page will auto-populate in the monthly report, strategy dashboard, trading dashboard, and strategy statistic pages. If you want to track your monthly trading performance, head over to the monthly report page, select the desired month from the drop-down list, and it will automatically display all the trades taken during that month. The page provides trading statistics such as total profit and loss, total monthly return, win rate, return on investment, average profit per day, and average time in trade. The included graph and chart visualize your account balance, total profit and loss by ticker, strategy performance in terms of return on investment, investment and profit and loss, cumulative profit and loss, and account drawdown. For tracking individual strategy performance, navigate to the strategy dashboard page, select the strategy name from the drop-down menu, and it will list out all the trades associated with that strategy. The page presents statistics such as profit and loss, average win and loss, largest win and loss, maximum consecutive wins and losses, win rate, return on investment, and the number of long and short trades. You can also use the funnel icon to filter by ticker and analyze specific stock trading statistics while using a particular strategy. The included graph and charts illustrate profit and loss by ticker, trade performance, and the number of long and short trades. To view monthly return on investment for each strategy, visit the strategy statistics page. It automatically shows the top performing and bottom performing strategies. Finally, the main trading dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your trading activity over a 12-month period. It displays your account summary including total profit and loss, win rate, and average win and loss. The page also presents 12 monthly trade statistics such as profit and loss and the number of winning and losing trades. The interactive chart automatically updates as you input data into your trading journal. The pie chart depicts trade performance in terms of number of winning or losing trades and long or short trades. The line graph and bar chart visualize your account balance, account drawdown, monthly winning and losing trades, monthly performance by return on investment and profit and loss, cumulative profit and loss, performance by ticker, and performance by strategies. In conclusion, using a trading journal is crucial for serious option traders who aim to improve their performance. The trading journal provides valuable statistics and insights into your trading strategy and activities, enabling you to learn from past experiences and make adjustments to your trading plan. Additionally, it serves as a record for tax and accounting purposes. Overall, an option trading journal is a valuable tool for traders at all levels to enhance their performance and make more informed decisions. Thanks for watching until the end. For more information about this trading journal, check the link in the description or comment section below. If you trade both option and stock within the same account, there's a trading journal available that tracks both option and stock. I have created a tutorial video specifically for that, and you can find the link in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.